Hi everybody, I'm Professor Tarek Saab from the University of Florida Physics Department. Today is October 31st, and most of you would know that as Dark Matter Day. Well, you might know it as Halloween, but it is also Dark Matter Day 2018. And I'm here to tell you a little bit about what dark matter is and some of the activities associated with the Dark Matter Day event. So when we look out typically at the universe, pictures like this from the Hubble telescope, what we see is the luminous objects, the stars, the galaxies that give off light. But in fact, the vast majority of stuff out there, of mass, of particles, does not give off light and is really quite dark. What you may not see very easily is all the particles filling this galaxy that are referred to as dark matter particles. Dark matter particles have an interesting property to them in that they don't interact very much with what we refer to as regular matter, the atoms that we are made up of. And in fact, as this cartoon illustrates, they can easily pass through objects the size of the Earth or large planets without interacting even once. But here at UF, we are trying to find evidence that these particles exist, and by seeing their interaction in an actual detector, a device. So these illustrations we see here on the bottom left is the white streak is supposed to represent a dark matter particle coming in. It hits off an atom, a germanium or a silicon atom that we use as our target material. It deposits some energy. It creates basically electrons and phonons in the system. And in the puck-shaped object below, this is an image of the actual detector. We use it on the surface to have sensors that detect the energy and tell us that something happened. This would be great if only dark matter particles did that, but in fact, almost any particle that interacts with our detector, and most of them do, will also leave a signal like that. So to run a dark matter experiment, we have to go deep underground. As you can see here, this is a schematic of the Snow Lab mine, a Snow Lab experiment that is in the mine up in northern Canada, 2 kilometers underground, and that is where the Super CDMS experiment is going to be located, and we'll start taking data in about a year or so to look for these dark matter particles. So, to learn a little bit more about the physics of dark matter, you can go to the department's website. And there's a lot of information you can see about both our activities in dark matter and other areas of physics. To learn more about Dark Matter Day, we can go to this site, dark. And you will find many links to activities and online material information about what is happening this Dark Matter Day this year.